What's up YouTube? My name is Manuel.
And I'm Forlan.
And we are Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we have a very special episode because we will be unboxing two Nike Adapt BBs. And we will be announcing the name of the lucky subscriber
who will take home the Air Jordan 33.
So stick around. So now let's start unboxing the Nike Adapt Earl BB. Earl stands for Electro,
Adaptive,
Reactive,
Lacing.
So let's
go!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The first ever self-lacing shoe was seen in the movie Back to the Future 2 in 1989.
And Nike made it a reality when they released the Air Mags in 2011. Unfortunately, during that time, the self-lacing system was not yet available.
And in 2016, they released the self-lacing version of the Air Mags.
And 2 months later, they released the HyperAdapt 1.0, which is the first self-lacing shoe available in the market, priced at $720 at retail. And now in 2019, they released the first basketball self-lacing shoe, the Nike Adapt Earl BB.
Now let's look at the details. Let's start with the upper. There's 2 layers to this upper. The first layer, the one inside, it's made out of the quad mesh material. It houses this whole area, and it also houses the lacing system. On top of that, you have a translucent Flyknit mesh, and it hides the lacing system. This layering of materials makes the upper breathable and it maintains its form. The material on this shoe is similar to the Air Jordan 33, but instead of pulling the cords to tighten and loosen it, you have a motor inside the sole to tighten the shoe. The pull tab is also made from Flyknit, and you have the dots here that transition into the Nike logo, and it's in silver. On the lateral side, you have the dots here that transition again into the Nike swoosh logo, and it overlaps the midsole. It's also in 3M. I'm not sure how Nike came up with these dots, but for me it looks like the evolution diagram. So the small dots, bigger, then Nike swoosh. The thumb, ankle, and Achilles area are amply padded for comfort, and it has a lining like sort of a satin material. The heel counter is very stiff. It's reinforced in the inside, and it has a velvety felt material to cover it. Now you have a heel cap here, very stiff for more support. The midsole is made out of Nike's Cushion foam. It's actually very soft but gives you a lot of bounce. On the medial side, you have the Boss Nike logo in black. On the lateral side, you have the overlap of the Nike swoosh logo. It also has a small Nike logo here, so it creates an inception effect. Swoosh on swoosh. The midsole also houses the interface for the lacing system. You press here, the one more forward, to tighten. And to loosen. It lights up and produces a distinctive sound. The outsole is made out of this icy translucent rubber, and you have a circular pattern on both the forefoot and the heel area. The circular pattern is common in basketball sneakers. It's useful in pivoting. And if you look closer here, there's a butterfly. And according to Nike, the metamorphosis of a butterfly was the main point of inspiration for the design team. According to them, the butterfly is throughout its life cycle is adapting and changing, and that's their main inspiration.
Thanks, Froy. Now let me talk about the background of the shoe. First, did you know that there's a human invention that was older than the coins, alphabet, and even paper. It's even older than the Stonehenge and the pyramids. That invention is the shoelaces. A lot of the inventions have been obsolete already, but the shoelaces still remains. But now, Nike have innovated the shoelaces with their new technology, the Nike Adapt. The Nike Adapt BBs was designed by a team of designers and engineers. The architect is Tinker Hatfield, who is commonly known as the designer for the Air Jordan brand. The lead designers for this shoe is Ross Klein, which is the designer for the HyperDunks React in 2017, and Eric Avar, who's a designer of the Kobe line. As you can see, there's a lot of similarities in the shoe with the Kobe line. Now, to create the motor, there was a team of 50 engineers just to create this self-lacing mechanism. Nike has evolved the fitting system from the Huaraches, the Flywires, Flyknit, and now this Nike Adapt system. Nike Adapt is a platform which creates a custom fit by combining power lacing, an app, and a firmware. Nike picked basketball as its first sports for the Nike Adapt intentionally because of the demands of the basketball players on the basketball shoes. Watch out for a future video for a more in-depth review for these shoes. So that's it for the initial look. What do you think, Froy?
I think it's a very good shoe. It has a lot of technology involved. You have the mesh inside, the Flyknit here. It's all quality materials.
Yeah, for me, not only for the quality materials, but the look itself. I mean, compared to the HyperAdapt that they initially released, this looks really nice. Plus, you can play with it. You know, that's the best thing about this shoe. And the only thing is the price point. 350 is a bit steep.
Yeah, it's very pricey for this shoe, but of course, this is just an initial release. Once they make it, they start making more of these, it's gonna get the price will get lower.
Yeah, I think so. But I mean, with the technology, I think for me, it's not just a gimmick. I mean, in a way, it is, but because it works, you know, you can really feel the shoe tightens, and it really helps, especially for basketball. So for me, definitely, this shoe is a must-cop. And I will even wear this on streetwear or just casually.
I'm excited to see this technology in other silhouettes like LeBron and KD's, Kyrie's.
Oh yeah, definitely, because that's what Nike is going to. You know, they will release it with other silhouettes, especially for sports.
And for me right now, I think it's very tempting to get one for myself. But as of right now, for me, I will just save the extra money and tie my own shoelaces.
so you're not giving up yet, right?
Yes, not yet.
But I think I gave in already, because this pair will be for me, and I will definitely wear this one.
How about this one? Maybe for another giveaway?
Why not? Well, let's see in the future. And now for a giveaway.
Our lucky subscriber is
Nick CWH.
Congratulations! And thank you for joining our giveaway.
Please wait for our private message on Instagram. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it.
And if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button.
Please like us on Facebook
and follow us on Instagram.
Until next time.